Hi there, this is Noah with ERS. For Tip Tuesday this week, I want to talk about staying in shape as your company grows. So for most of us, when you first got into business, you were spending a lot of time doing physical work, loading up units, setting them up, tearing them down, cleaning them, you know the drill. As your business grows, though, you often find yourself pulled away from those day-to-day tasks, right? In fact, you should. You should be the one making the systems while your workers implement them in order for the business to run efficiently and profitably. So if you're doing things right and your company is thriving, oftentimes what that means is you're sitting at a desk. Mazel tov, your business is thriving. But the downside is it's not great for your health. And heck, we all know sometimes you just have to power through, but you can't pour from an empty cup. Eventually you have to think about your health a little. So please bear with me as I get a little personal here. A couple years ago, I discovered I was pre-diabetic. There were a lot of reasons, but one of them was my job had me sitting all day. So I got to thinking, how can I keep my job that I love and that rewards and treats me so well while still maintaining my health? How can I get off my butt and move throughout the day while still getting my work done? Well, I remembered Amazon had been bugging me for years to get one of their credit cards, and I remembered they offered me $150 off my first purchase if I did so. So I did a bit of digging and found this treadmill that's specifically designed to go under your desk. Now, as you can see, it wasn't cheap, but that $150 off sure helped, and it looks like right now there's actually a $50 off coupon too. I don't remember if that was available when I bought this. Fast forward to now, I just got my blood work in. I'm no longer pre-diabetic. My LDLs, that's bad cholesterol in case you didn't know, are lower. I'm sleeping better. I'm more patient with my kids. I'm in a better mood. And here's the kicker. I'm actually better at my job than I was before because I'm not trying to pour from an empty cup. So that's it for Tip Tuesday this week. I just wanted to share this little bit of helpful insight. I highly recommend you try to maintain your health as your company grows. You're worth it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.